Okay, welcome. Today is Sunday, March 6th. I'm here on Copper Mountain. I'm still recovering from a back and rib issue where I took a really bad fall about 3 weeks ago. Still have pain, so I'm taking it very easy today. Starting around noon, it's supposed to be like a 90% chance of snow, so that should be exciting. It is cloudy today. The sun really isn't, you got it right up there. So the sun's not really out much today, not a bluebird day, but snow should be coming later. Well, it is definitely coming down out here now. I mean, look at this snow. This is incredible. Well, I haven't done much video today because it is absolutely dumping out and has been dumping all day. I mean, it's been insane out here. So, I mean, I don't know if you can see what I see in the video. I'll try to do some video here on this run. You know, it might just get snow all over the lens, I don't know. But, I mean, the snow out here is unreal. I mean, you can see the powder. So yeah, it's been coming down all day. Really good stuff. Can't see much. I prefer a bluebird day over a snowy day, but I also prefer having all this fresh powder. So let's see where we can go. I mean, there's just so much powder coming down. Unbelievable out here right now, it really is. I mean, look at this. Also, I'm not using the 360 camera today because the snow would just get on the lens and it'd ruin every shot. So there's no sense in even pulling the 360 camera out. So I'm gonna be stuck with using the GoPro Hero 10 here. But anyway, yeah, let's just get down through here and see what we can do. The temperature's perfect out here. It's not cold at all. Woo! I mean, the powder is so thick. It's so good.